Full recipe of donut. 1/4 or 4 tablespoon of water. 1 tablespoon yeast. 1 tablespoon salt. Mixing it well. Rest for 10 minutes. 1/2 cup of milk. 1/2 cup sugar. 1 egg. Mix it. Add 3 cup of maida flour. Add yeast water. Mixing. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Again mixing with hand, rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour work this. Heat oil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then add donuts. Cook for in low flame. Cook for 10 minutes. Dip it in chocolate syrup. Dip it in sugar syrup. Add some coconut powder, it's optional. Let's see the results. Final results of donut.